That's the history that brings me here. The first American president ever to visit Angola. Over time, and I'm proud to be, over time, the relationship between our countries has been transformed from distance to genuine warmth. Today, our relationship is the strongest it's ever been. Throughout my presidency, it has been my goal of the United States to build a strong partnership with peoples and nations across the continent of Africa. True partnerships aimed at achieving shared goals, bringing to bear the dynamism of America's private sector and the expertise of our government to support aspirations of African entrepreneurs, experts, leaders, both inside and outside of government. Because we know the challenges that define our age demand African leadership. One out of every 4 human beings on Earth